Hey everybody, how you doing? Yapah here. So what you saw me carry in has nothing to do with sewing, but I thought I'd open it with you guys. So I'm gonna try my hand in making some kefir milk. So I got the jar that I needed to ferment the milk and then to store the milk. So they say it's better to store it in glass than in plastic, so I got some glass half-gallon containers. So here it is. I thought I'd bring you guys along on the ride of opening it. Opening it with me. So I have these, and I have other things coming, and I have the kefir grains coming. So it has tops, little tops. I have 4 tops. Oh, there's additional tops. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Comes with 8 tops. Nice. And a spout. Let me open it. Oh, I'll maybe open it later, but you can see it's a little spout. And like holders. Let's see. Yay. Looks good, looks good. It's half gallons. And I got 4 of them. And it comes with these labels, marker, chalk marker. Okay. Yay. Bam. Anything else? I don't think so. That's it. Okay. I'm excited, y'all. I got my 4 half-gallon bottles sent to me today, so I will be ready. I think I have to get one more thing. I think I need to get the some. The coffee, all those papery things that people, when you make coffee, you use it. The coffee papers, I don't know what they're called, but I think I might need those for when it's time to ferment. I put them on top of them, but I have to double check. So, but yay, they're here, and they look good. The marker tried to run away. They look good. Nothing looks broken or out of place. So I'll wash these out when time gets closer. When it gets closer to time to making it. So yeah, excited. This is probably supposed to go in the middle, but we're just gonna let that do what it do. That there. I don't remember what these are for. Just stick them in there somewhere. Done. Yay! Exciting! Let's do it. Can't wait for the other stuff to get here. I'm gonna open this door. So back to sewing stuff. But I am excited about trying to make this kefir for our family, so I'll probably take you along the process of doing that, most high willing. I'm sure it won't be the only time I make it, so I'm getting warm. And they're doing construction outside. It's gonna be loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me through all the crazies outside. So, but yeah, I'm excited to make this kefir, and yeah, let's do it. Got some raw goat milk, so it's going down. Most high willing. Everything that I need should be in by the 21st of January. So, so after that, I should be set on making it. So, boom. So for today, for sewing, I couldn't really sleep that great last night. I didn't fall asleep until like 2 o'clock or something like that. So I'm pretty tired, as you can imagine, and I'm trying to see if I should just chill a bit on the working, but I mean, it's mostly sewing, so I can just at least sew the darts on the skirt, sew the the lining together, sew the skirt together, leave the back of the skirt open because I need to put the zipper there anyway. I need to make an interfacing, a copy of the top part where the waist is, about 3 inches wide, about 3 inches wide, to keep the elastic inside of it, to make sure that's secure and it doesn't look ugly. So, and I don't really want the lining to show up on the outside. Yeah, that's what I'm working on. They're right outside my window now. I can see them. Though, I'm gonna get going so you guys can stop hearing the noise. Okay, see you soon.
Never fake, I just dropped the lane. Talking about the old me, jock game. Pointing at my flesh, I'ma let you know I got aim. I ain't want the fame, I've been beating sin MMA. Baby,
Okay, so one thing I was not expecting with this voile, I don't know how to pronounce it right, VOILE cotton fabric, how sheer it is. Well, that's not the problem, but the sheerness when I'm trying to pin these darts together, like I have to do all this, like for right now, because I'm looking at it like I can't see the markings, and the markings are white. The markings are white, and like I have to add extra pins to kind of guide me through putting the darts together. So yeah, was not expecting that, but I'm gonna keep going. So I got all this darted up, so I'm gonna sew this together and then work on the darts for the main fabric. Hi.
Hey, baby, I'm a spirit, this is my vessel, stop playing. Shalom, 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 shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, 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 stop playing. Yeah, shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Walking the truth and I follow commandments. Taking correction, I'm living these lessons. Popping these demons, they feeling attention. They trying to be me cause they got an obsession. I just wanna know why you playing with me. Yeah. I'm a priest, make a demon leave. Give my brother's life when I speak. They cannot perceive, I know they gon' backbite on me. Give them milk and honey, they can't even chew on the meat. I'ma show them love, humble down, that's the Christ in me. Shalom, 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 shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, 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 stop playing. Yeah, shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom, shalom. I'm keeping it real for sure. I'm in the field for sure. I got the seal for sure. Keeping it trill for sure. Keeping it real for sure. I'm in the field for sure. I got the seal for sure. Keeping it trill for sure. All that pain that I had, it was eating me up. All the people on this earth, they was tweeting it up. All alone in a world full of trillions of people. I awoke, the dead is walking like it's Resident Evil.
Hey guys, so I'm done. I'm past my time. I'm kind of way past it. Not way past it, but I'm past it. Babies, go play, okay? I'll be right there, okay? I'm gonna record this, and then I'll come get you. I will come get you, okay? Thank you. So they would come back in front of my window once I start talking to you guys again. However, I was looking for, so I got pretty much a good amount done. I sewed the front, I got the facing for the back for the elastic together. I cut out the sizing for the elastic, and then I realized I would have tried to do a little more, but then I wasn't. Okay. Goodness gracious. Okay, so I would have done a little bit more, but then I was like, I have to put the pocket on there. And the pocket that I was originally looking for, I'm thinking it was something else, but I thought it was something else, but apparently, because all the sample of the skirts that I made that I was looking for have the same pocket except for one. Now, I don't like the way that pocket looks on that one, and all the other ones look nice to me. So I'm just gonna go with the one that I've done on majority to all of them. It's just this shape. It's this shape of pocket, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. This is one of my older ones. Well, this is the original sample of the gray skirt. Let's see, the very first. I think this is the very first gray skirt I did. It's one of my favorites. So colorful, like me. Yeah, super fun, super cute, super flowy at the bottom. But yeah, so I was looking for it. This is the one that I didn't like on it, and so I realized I don't have the pattern for the other one. So next week when I start working again on this, I'm gonna have to copy the pocket pattern off of one of the other skirts to put on this one so that I can finish the skirt. And I also need to send a message to the sis on the fabric for the bottom, or the ruffle at the bottom, because of the color difference, and to check to see if she's cool with that and whatnot. So that's pretty much everything, guys. The battery on my other phone died, so I had to use my my primary phone that I use every day to call people. So yeah, that's everything. I did as much as I could today to finish it. So I'm getting closer and closer every day now. If I was to get up at 5 o'clock next week in the 5 a.m., that would be great, and I would be done with it sooner, and that way I can work on other things. So wish me luck. Better yet, pray for our sister, so you know I can get up at 5 and maybe drink a smoothie or something to help with the hunger. Smoothie and have some nuts, something to get me by until I need to eat breakfast. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Sorry if I look like I'm looking here and then looking at you directly. I'm still getting used to looking at you in the camera, okay, and not the screen, which is here. But I will talk to you guys later. I'm going to go put these babies down for naps. I'm going to eat, and I'm going to drink more fluids so that I can feel great tomorrow. And I'm going to take a nice nap, most I willing, because not being able to go to sleep until like 2 o'clock or something, that sucked. So I want to take a good nap right now. But I'll talk to you guys later. And yeah, I'm 21 weeks today. Yay. So 21 weeks. So getting closer and closer to the finish line, which I'm kind of ready to be at right now. I get tired of being hungry all the time and have to drink so much water and have to pee all the time and not be able to be as productive as I would like to. So, and having headaches and because I'm not drinking enough or eating enough. Baby doesn't approve of certain foods sometimes. So it is what it is. But thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. See you in the next vlog. Please feel free to comment at the bottom, share, like, subscribe if you have not already. Thank you for following this journey of sewing and trying to start a business with, you know, for my family and whatnot. And hopefully you guys learned some things in the process. If there's things that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments. Someone had already messaged me privately on what they would like to see, so I'm going to try to incorporate that. I think I told you guys in the last vlog, but yes, I will see you guys later, and stay modest, guys. Mwah. Hey baby, you ready to eat? Yeah? Can I see you? Look. You ready to eat? You ready to go to sleep? I meant to say you ready to go to sleep, not eat. She always ready to eat. Dang, I done ravaged my closet. Now I gotta put all this stuff back. Put the skirts and stuff back.
I just wanna know
Bye,
why you're
guys.
playing with me.